In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude AI on your Mac OS. So as you see, I'm just on a browser here and logged into my actual account. So just make sure that you logged into the account that you want to download onto your Mac, but it's very easy to do. So once you're here on Claude, what you want to do is go down to your name here, and right next to your name, you're going to find this little download button here, and it says Get Apps and Extensions. So once you're here, all you really have to do once you're on a Mac OS is go ahead and click download for Mac OS, and it's going to automatically start to download into your computer. So if you were to take your cursor and come over here to the right hand side here, you're going to see that I have my Claude file here downloaded and ready to go. So once it's done downloading, all you need to do is go ahead and it's going to download the actual downloader onto your computer. So as you see right here, I do have my Claude app here. So go ahead and click on that downloader. And then the only thing you need to do is go ahead and drag this over to your applications folder. And then it's going to go through and copy Claude to that folder, make sure all the files and the data and everything moves with Claude into your application folder. That way you have a physical app to use. So once that's done, let's close out of this and we'll go to our applications. So I like to go to the Go option up here at the top left-hand corner, and we can go ahead down to our applications and then go ahead into Claude because it should be here, and it's going to ask you to verify the account to go ahead and log into the same account that you would have on your browser AI. You can now use it for Claude for the actual app itself. So go ahead and double click on Claude. It may take a couple seconds to load up, but now it's loading up just like your regular Mac OS app, and that's really it. So as you see, it's the same account. It's the same type of account here, but now instead of the browser, now I have it as an actual app on my computer. But that's it. Super simple and super easy.